This time we're going to assemble this catapult, and the things that we needed are glue, and if you have a sheet of sandpaper you can do so, but that is optional. So also paintbrush and paint, that's both optionals, but this time what I'm going to do and show to you is how to assemble a catapult. So this is the cut out of the catapult. We have here a glue and then rubber band, and this is part of the catapult. So these two little sticks. So before we begin to assemble our catapult, we need to punch out all the parts. Just be careful when you punch out all the parts not to break it. For now we need the two sticks and these two holes with hole to put them together so that I won't be able to lose some parts. So we'll use this glue to put this hole here on this part. Okay, so that's the match. We'll glue this here to make just put a little glue. I use you can use Elmer glue or this Gorilla or any other glues that will stick. Just few of this Gorilla glue because this is too sticky. I prepared to put this stick so that to make sure that the hole is is in the hole. Just few of that, few drops, and then stick this together and put this aside. I hope it stick together. And this one is on this side. Okay. Let me put some glue. Stick it here. I'm gonna press a little bit. Make this thing stick together. Okay. So, and then I'm going to put this like that. And I'm going to punch this out. This is we needed to. So we'll put that. And these little squares. So So now we'll glue this here, and another one is here. It's all the work is mostly gluing the items. Just make it sure that this is like square. And the other one is on this side. I prefer Gorilla because it's, you know, an instant glue. You can stick them together right away. Hope it stick together. Let me just put some here. It may takes seconds before they stick together. Okay, so we'll just set this aside and wait until it's oops. Let me check. And put more of the glue here and glue there. Glue there. So I got this from one of the stores here, and I said that it looks like it's nice to do some assembly. Then, you know, toy assembly. It's good for your good project for the family and also for the scouts. Let me put some glue over there just to make it sure that it stick together. Yeah, if you have Cub Scouts or Cub Scout in the family, so this is a good project for them. Okay, so we'll just set that aside and make it sure that they stick together. Okay. Okay, so that one. Now the other one. So we need all these holes now, 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think we're good with the parts. So we'll now assemble this. Okay, so we need all these holes. Let's assemble it first. This is for here. It's for here and here. Okay, and the other one is there. Okay, let's assemble this. So we need glue again here and there. It's all glue that will work for this project. it's all glue. Use this to press a little bit. You need to press a little bit to make it stick together. Oops. And I will do the same thing on the other side. I don't think I should. And wait a little while to stick them together. There, I think I should put some glue here. Make it sure that this is square. Let's just set this aside until it sticks together. And let's work on this side. Let's just I think we need to sand a little bit so that it will stick to it will stick together. So that part. This one, it's just too smooth. Okay, so put some glue that it can stick together. That way, make it sure that the oops.